Consulting Services Private Limited. Here in this video, we are going to present how virtual reality will help manufacturing industry. In this video, we are going to present live case study of one of our customer into the elevator industry. They have various model of elevator, and each and every model will have multiple variants of interior design. So you can choose between different model, and those model will be visible on front of you. You can see on front of you, you can have multiple models. So customer will first choose the model, and then once he chooses the model, we will walk through. He will walk through the elevator, and once he will be into the elevator, he can experience the whole interior of the elevator, and he can choose between different variants and options available into the elevator. So now we are into the elevator. You can see the elevator option. You can see the flooring, the ceiling, and all the different options are there. And then here you can see different material options. So now customer want to change some option of wooden. You can see the leather material, the copper material. If they want to change, they can change. At the flooring, they have a marble right now, and if they want to change this to carpet like this, you can see it's changed. And now he can experience the interior. Once he confirms that he likes what he designed here, and he want to confirm this, he can just click this camera button here, and it will take 5-dimensional photograph of the elevator interior and send to ODOO. So now the elevator model, all the interior materials choose will be automatically generated as a quotation in ODOO after clicking this camera button, and then inside ODOO they will see the final quote with the pricing, and all the photos will be attached with the quotation. And as soon as we confirm and validate the sale order, it will generate the manufacturing order with same detail of bill of material, and all the photographs will be attached. So that will help speed up the quotation generation process. There will be no mistake in the quotation. All the materials customer choose, and the final photographs will be there in the manufacturing order. That will help manufacturing manager to build the final model of the elevator. Rest of the benefit for integrating this virtual reality with manufacturing and sales in the ODOO will be presented in our presentation. Thanks for coming, and thanks for watching the video.